In an emotional revelation that has sent shockwaves across the nation, music maestro A.R. Rahman and his wife Saira Banu have announced their separation after nearly 30 years of marriage. Known for his soul-stirring compositions and an unshakable presence in the music industry, Rahman penned a heartfelt note on X, formerly Twitter, describing the emotional toll of this decision. Their separation, while surprising to many, seems to have come after years of emotional strain, as confirmed in a joint statement issued by their lawyer. Despite the love they shared, the relationship has endured insurmountable tensions that neither felt they could bridge. Rahman, known for his private nature, has requested his fans and friends to respect their space during this difficult time. Now, this separation brings to light a growing phenomenon known as grey divorce, a term that refers to couples aged 50 and older who choose to end their marriages. Once considered rare, this trend is rapidly growing worldwide, and India is no exception. It highlights how, as societal norms evolve, more couples in their later years are finding it difficult to stay in relationships that no longer serve them emotionally. The biggest shift is the growing financial independence of women. With more women joining the workforce and achieving financial stability, many are now able to make decisions about their relationships based on personal happiness rather than financial necessity. Divorce is no longer seen as a taboo in Indian society. It's becoming more of a personal choice rather than a societal failure. And so, as A.R. Rahman reflects on the fragile chapter of his life, we are reminded that sometimes the end of something familiar is just the beginning of personal growth and discovery. The rise in grey divorces, though painful, shows us that love, like life itself, can change, sometimes in ways that we do not expect. Stay tuned to India Today Global.